How can I cut roof areas together? Well, you could calculate somehow and try to punch it, but it's much easier to cut it. So you mark it and go to cut, and then you target the roof area. So here you see the black frame. It shows the position which will be left. So, but you also see here's one part missing. So the first thing we do is to position the barge as far as we can into the other roof area. So we go to position and shift the edge. We can exaggerate a bit, that's okay. So, and if we cut it again, we can also take those two simultaneously. You see, it works just fine. So we can also show it in 3D. And if you want to have a valley, we mark this one and we punch it. Alright. Now again 3D. So it worked just fine. And there's one more thing we have to take a look at, because the punch didn't know what this line will be. So now it's a plank. So we mark it, go to modify, and type of edge, it's not a plank, so it's a valley. We have to change it again on both sides. Alright, and that's it.